Typography is the art of designing and arranging type. It plays a crucial role in how we communicate and perceive information. From books and websites to street signs and product packaging, typography surrounds us. The way letters are designed and arranged influences readability, aesthetics, and the overall message being conveyed. Long before the printing press, handwritten scripts were the primary means of communication. Calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting, flourished in different cultures around the world. Chinese calligraphy, with its elegant brushstrokes, is still revered as a highly esteemed art form. Western calligraphy, developed in ancient Rome, gave rise to scripts like uncial and Carolingian minuscule. These early scripts, with their distinctive letter forms and spacing, established the foundation for the development of typography. The shapes of letters, the rhythm of lines, and the use of space were all carefully considered. These handwritten forms would later inspire the design of the first typefaces. The legacy of calligraphy is evident in the elegant curves and refined strokes of many typefaces we use today. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century revolutionized communication. Gutenberg's groundbreaking invention used movable type, allowing for the mass production of books. This innovation marked a significant shift from the laborious process of hand copying manuscripts. Gutenberg's printing press used metal type, which were small individual blocks of metal, each with a raised letter form. These blocks could be arranged into words, lines, and pages of text. The type was then inked and pressed onto paper, creating printed pages. The printing press enabled the spread of knowledge, ideas, and culture on an unprecedented scale. Gutenberg's first major printing project was the Gutenberg Bible, completed around 1455. The type used in the Gutenberg Bible was a black letter or Gothic style, mimicking the calligraphy used in manuscripts of that time. Black-letter typefaces, with their ornate and angular letter forms, remained popular for centuries, particularly in Germany. During the 18th century, a new style of typeface emerged, the Roman typeface. Inspired by the classical letter forms of ancient Rome, Roman typefaces featured contrasting strokes, serifs, and a more geometric structure. Serifs are the small lines or extensions at the ends of letter strokes. One of the most famous and influential Roman typefaces was created by William Caslon in the 18th century. Caslon's typeface, with its elegant proportions and clear legibility, quickly gained popularity and became widely used in books and other printed materials. Caslon's typeface set a standard for Roman typefaces that is still admired and used today. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution led to a surge in printed materials. Posters, advertisements, and newspapers required typefaces that could capture attention and convey messages quickly. This need led to the development of sans serif typefaces. Sans serif typefaces, as the name suggests, lack serifs. They have a clean, modern appearance. The late 20th century witnessed the rise of personal computers and the digital revolution. This technological shift had a profound impact on typography. Graphic design became increasingly digital. Software programs like Adobe Illustrator and Quark Express provided designers with unprecedented control over type. The digital age also ushered in a new era of typeface design. With the advent of digital font technology, type designers were no longer limited by the constraints of metal type. This freedom led to an explosion of new typefaces, ranging from experimental and expressive to highly legible and functional. Today, typography continues to evolve in exciting ways. Variable fonts, a relatively new technology, allow for a single font file to contain multiple variations of a typeface. These variations can include weight, width, and slant, offering greater flexibility and creative possibilities for designers.